Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete Telegram account permanently. By telling instantly means that right when you click delete, you want a Telegram account to be deleted, no schedule, no 30 days timeline or anything. So let me explain this to you. So if I open my Telegram application, I launch my Telegram app. I will tap on these three bars in the upper left corner and I will just go to settings. Once I go to settings, I need to scroll down. Tap on this option called Telegram FAQ. Once I come here, I just need to scroll. Look for this option called your account. You enter your account. Here you will find delete Telegram account. Over here, just tap on it. Once you tap on it, you will be taken to this page where it says how do I delete my account, and here you can see this link known as the deactivation page. Tap on deactivation page, enter the phone number and then verify with the code that will send you to your Telegram application or the account, and after you've done that, you can simply select a reason as to why you are leaving. Once you enter a reason as to why you are leaving, tap on delete my account and your Telegram account will be deleted successfully. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.